Okay, go.
Let's go, Nora.
Hi, Nora. How you doing, sweetie pie?
Yay!
Yay! Look at her go. Woo! June 3rd, 2012. Your mother's 24th birthday. The grandparents are babysitting. And Nora's enjoying her jumper toy. Yay! Come on, Mimi. Do something funny.
Go, Nora. Go, Nora.
Mimi, come on. Do some entertainment.
Mimi doesn't do fun.
Come on. Jeez. Yeah, tell me. Mimi doesn't do fun.
No.
Good girl. Good girl, Nora. Look. Oh, yeah, go.
Yeah. Yeah. Say happy birthday, Mom. Where's Mama? Where's Mama?
Hey, Nora, look at Grandpa's feet. Ready? Okay, you don't care. Thanks. Nora.
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 Nora. Hi. Hi.
All right.
Oh, here comes Sonic. Let's say hi to Sonic. Hi, Sonic. Hi, Igloo.
Hi, Sonic. Hi, Igloo. Igloo wants to say hi to Nora, as usual. Doing the Irish jig down below. Alright, that's over 2.5 minutes. We're going to have to cut it off now.
Good night, Nora.
Bye, Nora. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Nora.